Well, I have to say I'm a sucker for tablets. I use my iPad Pro all the time, whether I'm at the office, out at meetings, or especially traveling. It's so thin and light. Well, I've had a chance now to check out a great tablet from Huawei. This is the MatePad Pro. They've got a couple different versions and different memory configurations. This particular one, I think, is a 4G modem built into it. They also have a 5G version as well. So you could actually get a SIM card and a data plan for it. So you're totally connected everywhere you go. This is beautiful. I've got it here with the optional keyboard and pencil. We'll talk about those in a minute. Beautiful screen on this, 10.8 inches. And it's so thin and small and light, but still has that large 10.8 inch screen. So you have to get it with the keyboard though. I mean, it just takes it to a whole other level. It's using the Huawei App Gallery. So it's not using the Google mobile services. The App Gallery just launched in beta here in Canada in February, and I think they're up to 17,000 apps already. But from what I understand, Huawei is literally spending billions of dollars developing out their app ecosystem. And it's really bringing us to an interesting point in time when it comes to mobile operating systems. Of course, we know that Apple has their iOS and Apple ecosystem. The other main one, obviously, Android and the Google flavor of Android. Well, Huawei's kind of going another route now. Yes, it's still missing a lot of the apps that you probably traditionally use. But from what I understand, you can also go directly to some of these websites now. I think Facebook, you can actually download the app directly from them. I'll show you one thing that I really love with the pencil. If you have it off and you want to take a quick note, you just kind of tap the screen here and it automatically goes into note-taking mode, which I really appreciate. So you can take notes till the cows come home, save them, and there's all sorts of different tools here at the bottom. You can see the colors, the different types of pencils. And the pencil is beautiful. I think it's, from what I read, has over 4,000 pressure points. The harder you push on here, the thicker the line. So if you're an artist and like to draw, this is a great little combination. Again, it is a separate edition, but I think if you are a student or using this for business, it's a must-have. Very elegant as well. To charge this, you just hit it to the top of the screen here. You can see it's magnetic. It's not going to go anywhere, so it's great for traveling. This also has a pretty decent charging and battery system as well. I think it's a over 7,200 milliamp hour battery built into this little guy. And as far as the charging is concerned, you can do a 40 watt super fast charge using the wired charging that comes with it. If you are into wireless charging, you can do that as well. It's 25 watt wireless charging. And what I love, we're seeing this on a lot of smartphones now, the back where you can reverse charge devices. This has got that as well. I think it's about a 7.5 watt reverse charging feature. As far as cameras, not lighting the world on fire, but I don't usually take a lot of pictures with my tablets. It's got a 13 megapixel camera on the back, and an 8 megapixel camera for doing the selfies as well. Overall, I love the size of this. It's very compact. The screen is beautiful. I love the keyboard shell as well. Again, it is an option that I think is a must-have for anyone. But I could see this being, a laptop replacement for a lot of folks out there that are just doing the basic word processing, emails, and browsing. So again, for students, or if you're in business as well, you can see how tiny this is to take around with you. Again, it's Huawei's MatePad Pro. They've got a few different versions depending on what your needs are, and you can even get one with a cellular option as well, so that you can be connected no matter where you go.